Welcome back to another video. I am F2P player and we are gonna talk about how to get S or Z rank equipments in this new series of the beginner Dragon Ball Legends. Okay, that sound weird. How to get at least S or a Z rank potentially. Uh, so the best way to get equipments is equipment medal, which you can go from exchange shop, and the best equipments are here. So this equipment right here can be equipped on Science or Android, which are really dominant in the meta right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna exchange my equipment medals for this equipment as much as I can. Okay, so the more I exchange, the more I get chances for get a C rank equipment right off the bat, which is really good. Okay, so let me just do it. Okay, so the what we can say. Okay, so what you are gonna do, have it on rank, filter filter only C, so you can check how many C rank you got, then D. Okay, so what you are gonna find here. Okay, so, not that. Okay, so sell every E and F equipment you got from there. Okay, because they are not gonna give you any S or Z rank equipments in their whole life. Now filter the D ones too, but don't sell every one of them because some of them have gold equipments, gold slot. Okay, and there are some with really good percentage. Like this one gives 12.5, so I personally don't sell which have more than 10%. Okay, because they do have a chance to get a Z or S rank equipment, not Z but S, at least S. Okay, so sell other than them. Now nothing more, we're gonna filter out the C rank 2, and we're gonna upgrade all of them. So we get we can get another gold equipment, gold slot or a red slot. That's all random. The worst thing about that is really random. Okay, okay, so no luck here. If okay, so we have another chance. Mm, okay, we don't get any gold or red slots in any of those equipments. That's not good for starters, but we can still do something because we do have a good amount of slot removers. If you don't have good amount of slot removers, you can just go to exchange shop and check every where you can get them, because they are really good. Now go to order received, filter from there. Now just check out the maximum potential of those other two slots. Okay, as you can see it's 18% and 15 or 16%. Now go to remove slot and check every equipment you just upgraded. Okay, so you can get a good picture of which equipment did better on other two. Okay, because their first equipment we did filter out everything. Okay, so if you take a look at this one, the third slot is good because it gives 16 or 15% and it has 12.3 percentage. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna remove the second slot until we get S or Z equipment. Though it's really hard, okay, because I don't get a lucky. So 12, even on 12% it's A. So simply enough we have to get 15% or more, because the maximum here is 18%. But remember one thing, that you can get unlucky. Okay, like here I just got dropped from 13% to 10%. This can happen, it's up and down, but it's all random, it's on luck. Okay, it's almost like you are trying to pull an sparking unit from single, or I say daily bonus. Okay, like you see it's dropped to 7.75. You just have to upgrade it until you get a S or Z rank equipment. Okay, most of time I just don't go for the Z rank because it doesn't worth it. And if you wanna, if you are out of slots or anything like that, you always can use 10cc on it. Okay, I don't recommend it because you are F2P player. But if you think you are lucky enough that you can go to the you can get a red or gold slot on that even by using cc, go right ahead, but I don't recommend it. Okay, this S rank equipment can easily become a Z rank because the third slot is good, the first slot is gold. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna do the remove the second slot and try for a Z rank equipment. Okay, you can push it. Okay, but it's not always gonna work. Okay, on 14% I'm not gonna get ready on it. Okay, so that's that. Another thing, you just go to filter and filter out everything other than a rank equipment, because many of us get unlucky. Even if we have a double gold slot on equipment, we still get an A. So what you're gonna do, just filter out A and check for double gold slot or red slots. So I'm gonna remove the second slot again and again until I got a good amount on it, at least S, a good amount of S. So as you can see, the most I can get on here is 13%. And so what we are gonna do, just we are gonna upgrade it until we can get an S or a good amount at least. Okay, so 5% not good. Okay, so it's all random. Okay, it's all depend on your luck, how is your lucks going, anything like that. Okay, so oh my god. Okay, so there you have it. You can get Z equipment just like that. Okay, it's not just like that, it's hard, I know, but potentially, I just told you, it is potentially.
So that's it guys, we're gonna wrap this video. If you find this video helpful, uh, please consider subscribing, like and share. uh, let's meet in the next video.